channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you listen to anything else. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you're subscribed. And also, if you're not new, thank you for coming back again. This is my first YouTube video in 6 months and I'm just like so excited. If you know me, you know I like to get straight to the point. And we're just gonna hop straight into the video. If you want to know where I've been, I made a short video explaining why I've been gone for 6 months, but I'm back and I'm better. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications, hit the little bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So to start off my wig reviews again and hair tutorials, I am starting with a company that I have worked with 3 times so far. So today I'll be reviewing LuvMe. Like I said, this is my 3rd wig from LuvMe Hair. This is a really popular company that a lot of people like because they're affordable, they have good deals, and they have good hair. Okay, so yeah, this is my 3rd time working with LuvMe, and the first wig I got was a little shaky, but the second one they definitely made up for it, and this one we'll find out. So yeah, so we're hopping straight into the review. If you know LuvMe, you know the purple box. Okay, you know the purple box. You know the purple box. I'm sorry if my hands are ashy. Okay, I'm sorry. They had a ribbon on here. I popped the ribbon. I'm so sorry. When you open it up, it looks like this. It comes with a nice little note, and the hair comes in here. And before I even open the hair, I want to let you guys know this is a straight headband wig, 22 inches. Yeah, so inside the box you'll get your bag with your hair in it. They sent me a whole pack of headbands. How cute is this? They also send a little bag with a whole bunch of hair tools, an edge brush, some bobby pins, and just things that you can use on your hair. And you get a wig cap and an instruction manual on maintaining your beautiful hair when you buy it, and also the return and refund policy. But you're not gonna need that, okay? You're not gonna need a refund, and you're not gonna wanna return it. So let's just forget that. So here is the wig. It was in a hairnet, but I took it out the hairnet because, yeah, y'all know what a hairnet look like. Like I said, this is a headband wig. Here's the headband, great material. My biggest problem with LuvMe Hair in the past was the cap, because I got a big head and I got a lot of hair, and I don't know how to bring my hair down, so it'd be difficult. But I do need big caps, so every time I order a wig, I get a large cap. And this cap it looks stretchy, a lot stretchier than the first wig I got from them, because the first wig wouldn't even fit on half of my head, like at all. The hair is very, very flowy, soft, long, pretty, and this is straight. It has some crimps in it because it was like folded up, so I'll straighten it out to see if it's straightened all the way. But for the most part, look at this, and it's very full. My fingers are running straight through it, no tangling. Just like 1 or 2 hairs with shedding. I'm not saying too much. Honestly, I'm not getting, hold up. I don't think I'm not getting no shedding. I'm sorry, excuse me. The hair is very full. I like full hair. I need full hair, because if it's not full, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with it? I can't really stand up with it, but it's 22 inches. It looks true to length. I'm here for it. She is moving. Stiff wear. It comes with 3 combs on the inside at the top and 1 in the back, and of course the headband is velcro. So I'm gonna take this wig off and we're gonna try this on and see what it's giving. So y'all, I got the wig on. Okay, I also want to let you guys know, like I said, I don't know how to braid down my hair, and I have to do some other reviews before I can braid down my real hair. So my hair is not braided down. It is slicked back into a bun, and I have a lot of hair. And because of that, I do think the wig is sitting up a little higher. So if your hair is braided down, I feel like it is big head friendly for sure, because it fit. It's just sitting up a little higher. It's not as flat, but that's because I didn't braid down my hair. But we're gonna make it work. The hair is so soft. It's so soft that it's not even staying on my, it's not even staying on my hand. It's just like butter. Butter, oh my gosh. Look at this. No tangles. No shedding. Wait, no, there's no shedding, no shedding. False alarm, false alarm. So this is what it's looking like. My edges are very low. I have a low hairline. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some edge control so we can slick this hair back and I don't look a mess. If you are on the hunt for a really good edge control, shout out to my roommate because she got me this one day and it's so good. Like, this is the best edge control I've ever had. It lasts all day. Beautiful, great. It's dark, but it's not dark when you put it on your hair. It's clear, but it looks dark in here. So yeah, but it's amazing. I'll leave a link for it in the description box. So yeah, not sponsored. This edge brush also came with the hair, so you don't even have to buy an edge brush because it comes with that. It comes with it. Okay y'all, so I did just a little slight, you know, edge sleek back, and I love this so much. I know I said the hair came a little like dented, so I do have my flat iron plugged up. I do have my flat iron plugged up to see if we can straighten it out a little bit more because it got a little wonky because it was wrapped up in the bags. Okay y'all, I definitely took the lazy way to straighten my hair. I recommend using a comb if you really want to straighten it for real, but y'all, it did not take much. It did not take much, and the hair is straight. I love it so much. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try on some headbands to show you guys how it looks with the headbands. I'm sorry I keep looking up at the hair because I'm just like, wow. So here are the beautiful headbands. One is like velvet with stars in it. One is white. One is cheetah, black and white polka dots. And another velvet, it's like a brown color. I think I'm gonna use, ooh, it got pearls on it. A pearl, honey. This is cute. I'm gonna save this one for last. We'll do cheetah print because I feel like that matches more than these do. But they're cute, so you get these too. Okay, you get these. Look at how cute this is. I'm loving it. I'm loving it so much. Look at this. I'm in love. So you could do like your little headband, all of it to one side. You can put it in a ponytail if you want. And look at this ponytail. Look, it's true to length, 22 inches. It's giving. Now I'm gonna try on this headband because I think it's so cute with the pearls. And yeah. So here's the headband with the pearls. Okay, I need some earrings in. But yes, here's the pearls. Get into it, get into it. And yeah, I love this wig. I'm gonna keep it short. This wig is great. LuvMe did not disappoint. I already knew what to expect because my last wigs were decent. So I'm gonna drop the link to this and the other wigs I've reviewed by them in the description box if you want to see how those were. It was a kinky straight and a deep wave headband wig, so check them out. They are also having a buy one get one free sale for Black Friday, so definitely grab one while you can. Get one for yourself and your mother, one for you and your sister, one for you and your best friend, your grandma, anybody, okay, anybody. Buy one and you get one free. You can't miss a deal like that. So I'm gonna put the code for you to do it is LMBOGO. I'm gonna put all of that in the description box so you can get yours and make sure you don't miss out. on this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below as well. Let me know what you like, what you didn't like. Would you buy this or no? I hope you say yes. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.